good morning sa ating lahat. Good morning! Papasok na naman po si Lola niyo. Yeah, going office. So very early guys. Ay. Praise God! Dito na naman po tayo. Salamat Lord sa mga ito Lord. Yes. Lagi po tayo nalilate guys. Late na naman po ako ng 10 minutes pero okay lang. Because when I wake up, my sir is not yet wake up, so I am the first wake up. Yes, good morning. Good morning, bird. Good morning, good morning. Still dark here, guys. The time now is 6:30 in the morning here in Malaysia, and I'm going to clean again the cars. Yes, every day, guys. Every morning. As long my boss is not going early, so early, so I need to clean the cars. Yeah, good morning. Happy 164k na po tayo mga ka-idol. Thank you very much for always watching. Thank you very much for supporting. Thank you very much for the warm comments that you give on my vlogs, guys. Yes. Most of my subscribers is men, but I'm very happy because men's are really love entertaining. Love entertainment, yes, I know. Among of my subscribers, more views from men's, yes, because they like my my outfit, my singing, my dancing. Thank you very much. Yes. I will make more nice one as I'm going to try all the things that I've learned in my hobbies. Yes, I love dancing, really. I love dancing, I love singing, yes. I love acting, yeah. I love drama, yes. Props, yes. Baliw-baliwan, yeah, hindi naman. Gusto ko yung baliw-baliwan. Gusto kong i-portray si Basilio and sino ba yung kasama ni Basilio? Nakalimutan ko. Basta mag-partner silang dalawa. In the Philippines, guys, there are two famous character that are Cecilia and Basilio, I think. They are very famous. So sometimes I will try that. Two-Face. Basilio. I forget, sorry. Thank you. See you soon, guys. I'm going to clean now, and I hope you like my vlogs. Thank you. More and more. God bless everyone and have a nice day. Always keep on praying sa lahat ng mga ka-YouTubers ko. Always excite lang tayo sa ating mga vlogs. Enjoy lang tayo lagi. Huwag tayong mag-sad moments. Always happy para po marami pong manonood sa atin. God bless. Have a nice day.